Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta Data Exchange. What a free fall today. I've been telling you 23,800 is going to be a very good support. If that is broken, then the next target is 23,500, and today Nifty almost touched 23,500. And in fact, today the Nifty closed exactly at 200-day simple moving average. The Bank Nifty has fallen more than 2,000 points from yesterday high to today's low. Even without any news, these FIIs continue to sell, and now the consumer price inflation data came at 14-month high. So they are like, when the inflation is higher, RBI is not expected to reduce the rates. The US Fed has already cut the rates twice, and they are planning to cut one more in December. So here, people thought in the next RBI meet, the RBI may cut the rates, but they are not going to do that. Because when the inflation is so high, they cannot cut the rates. So because of that, today all the rate sensitives has gone down like anything. Look at the banks. At 2,000 points from yesterday high to today's low, which is almost 4%. A 4% fall from yesterday to today. And look at the auto. Look at the real estate. But IT, FMCG, pharma stocks did better. Right? So it was mostly selling in rate sensitives only. But broader markets like mid cap, small cap, they are like, we can say they are coming under a capitulation period or surrender period. And today both mid cap and small cap fell almost 3%. So I'm sure today the FIIs would have sold heavily. Now, even without selling more, market will fall. Because earlier the trend was higher, so that can absorb any amount of selling. Now the markets, as it keeps going down and down, markets become more fragile. If FII sell 5,000 crore, if the market fall 100 points, now it may fall 200, 300 points. Today I'm going for a movie, my neighbor's movie. So that's why I'm not FII data is still not out. I cannot wait, so I'm shooting this video much earlier. So India VIX, as expected, is higher by 5%. The markets, though, it looks very oversold in the very short term. For tomorrow expiry, the put call ratio stands at 0.55, but still there is no hope. So there is a structural problem in Indian markets. One, corporate results not good. Two, FIIs are in mood to sell and move away to China. So when all these things happens, things don't respect the technicals. Looking at the open interest, 23,800 seems to be very good resistance. Now usually I tell, in the uptrend, if there is a particular level is very important support. If that is broken, then market falls significantly, then that support becomes the resistance. Now, even for monthly, we can expect 23,800 as a good resistance. So things are not looking well, and it is definitely time to be cautious, unless if you are a long-term investor. I always say, if you are a long-term investor, put some money when market falls 10% and put remaining money market falls 20%. Now the market has fallen 10%. Now the Nifty is more than 10% down from the recent high. But however, still compared to last year October, still markets are very high. Last year October, I remember Nifty was around 19,000. From 19,000, it went up to 26,300. Right? Let us say approximately 26,000. So that's about 7,000 point rally. And the 7,000 point rally, at least 3,500 point has to correct. So that is a major significant correction. So that means Nifty should go to somewhere around 22,500. Now the market is around 23,500, 23,600. So still there is another 3-4% fall possibility is there. So if you are a trader, you should know what to do. I posted in my social media, I've taken a trade, sitting with a good profit, so that can take care of my portfolio. So I bought some 26,000 put option in March series and then sold double the quantity, 24,000 put, and also sold the 26,000 call. In this kind of violent move, no matter how much you sell options, you can't manage your positions unless you do partial buying also. So only that can save the market, can save you, right? So we will see tomorrow. If today is more volatile, tomorrow will be even more volatile. So that's my statement always. So be ready for another roller coaster ride. Why I am expecting more volatility tomorrow? Because we have a long weekend. Friday is a public holiday. That's a local holiday. Means like holiday only in India. Global markets are still will be functioning. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.